Hey guys, and welcome to this next training video. So on this one I'm going to show you how to use the PATS to create your own personal automated trading strategies. So I just want to briefly go over this. So you can see here the 31st of March, today's the 1st of April 2020. So yesterday we set these two strategies. I had one close overnight because it was the predefined strategy on the low volatility one. You can see we were aiming for a lock-in profits of 0.1%. So I hit that overnight and the trade closed automatically. We actually got 0.15% on the LTC that we invested. So that was good. And then on the one below, that one was another strategy that we set with a lock-in profits of 1%. That was a copy trade that I copied from one of the traders, and you can see that we're already on 0.76% overnight. So that's looking good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to menu, and then we're going to hit here, personal automated trading software. Okay, once we're here, so you can see that I've got available nearly 6.5 Bitcoin. So I'm just gonna Litecoin, sorry. So we're gonna up here is where we're gonna set our parameters. You can convert, buy, and sell different currencies here if you want. And you've got your order book here on the right hand side. You've got your predictive indexes. So you've got it from Be My Bit, time series, the Monte Carlo simulation, 3 Doors game, Bears analysis, and order book forecast. Now that's basically just their forecast of whether the market's going to be up and down. So it's up to you how you want to take their ideas. And then you've got a chart here of what the markets are doing, the percent gain in the last 24 hours, volatility, volume, etc. And down here at the bottom, you can see your open strategies on this exchange, your open orders, and your fills on the right hand side. So let's just dive in and set up a strategy. So investment size, we're going to say, we're going to select a base asset first. So I'm going to go LTC because that's where my assets are in. And I'm going to put in 1 LTC. I'm not going to put in a kick-in price, and I'm going to leave the stop loss at 50%. Profits from sales. Now, what I normally do, you don't have to do it, but I sometimes 3 times the volatility. So, oh, that was quick. So I'm going to go roughly around 1%. And by profits from buy, I'm going to take 60. There's no reason why I'm doing this. I'm just filling in some figures to get this started for you. So try to end this strategy with either Bitcoin or Litecoin. I want to earn more Bitcoin, so I want to finish with Bitcoin, and my lock-in profits are going to be, we're going to go 1.5% on this one. And I'm not going to play around with the upper restart level or the lower restart level on this video. We'll cover that in another video. So once you've done that, start strategy. See here, confirmation, LTC initial investment 1, stop loss, buy, sell, upper kick clear. Cool, and we'll also share the strategy. So click on that. Please do not refresh this page. And we are live. So you can see down here, create on the 1st of April, 00. That's our strategy. And we can get more information in here. If I want, I can terminate, or I just leave it and let it terminate itself when it's hit its lock-in profit levels. So that's it. We can go back to the dashboard. And here you also have it running on your trading strategies here. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.